Hey guys, got a trade going on here on LGVN. You can take a look at it. It's currently 1447, and these is the time in sales. Block size, anything over 1,000 shares, it's going to be displayed. Um, Got a 20-minute chart here where you see the prior support from a day ago. This this equity had gapped up and sold off actually on Friday. Today's Monday, November the 22nd. You can take a look here. Friday, what happened? Let me see if I can get this here better for you. Thursday I got into this initially, about a 450. A cost basis is $4.55. And Friday it sold off. Actually, I've scaled out quite a bit of the shares on the first day in one of my accounts. And then I held on the other accounts, smaller accounts, not able to day trade in those other accounts. So I held on for another day, and I've scaled out, here being the third day, near this resistance area. You can see the resistance from Friday up here in this 1450 area, and we're just taking it out. You can see on this 30-second candle chart we've got here, we're just taking it out and going higher. So that's what's going on with this particular position. Just want to give you guys an update, let you see this. I do scanning in the morning. This is a small portion of one of my accounts, these type of stocks, where I'm looking for stocks that are moving up in the pre-market on strong volume, the most consistent volume that I can find. And these are the ones I typically like to get in, small portions, say 1 to 3% of my portfolio. Doesn't always work out. I've got a few other positions I could show you examples. Doesn't always work out, but when it does, it's actually one of the better trades. I'm not sure if it's my best. Might be my best, where it's actually doubled in one day. So it's kind of sweet to get double on a position in one day. Doesn't happen that often. And you can see it's still at the float's pretty low. I'd have to take a look, but I recall it being the float being low, so it doesn't take a lot of volume to really push it around. And my guess is there's not a lot of sellers coming in. There's actually some news on this that came out a few days ago when the news on it is pretty good. It's a biotech company, and it basically came out with a drug. See if I can look it up here. They're actually in the business services industry, but it's a biotech, and they created a drug which is FDA. Let me see if I can pull it up here. FDA approved, I believe, where they had the FDA granted rare pediatric disease designation for the company's Lomecel B for the treatment of hypoplastic left heart syndrome, which, from what I understand, it's a very rare disease which occurs in babies from birth. The tests that they had initially went really well. So this is like a sweetener the FDA is now provided to them. And my guess is there's probably other other companies in the industry that are possibly investing in them through these public share offerings that they have, which is driving up the price. So you can see the daily here taken out high of Friday today. So who knows where this goes. I'm still holding a small amount in my accounts, but I've scaled out a good bit at this juncture. All right, well, this is the Monday morning update, and hope everybody's doing well. Thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you later. This is Thomas Hutcherson with Q3Trading.com.